Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to create the photos with Google Gemini AI. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can access this Gemini AI first, and here I am accessing it with my Android phone. And if you are the user of PC or tab or even the iOS phone, don't worry because this Gemini AI also accessible, and you can simply open it with via website or even install it into your app store if you are the iOS user. And of course, don't forget to do the login first with your email to get the access to the editing or create or generate the photo into this section, guys. And after the opening or the login process, so this will be the home page of this Gemini AI. As you can see, there are several tools like create image, write, build, deep research, and also create the video here. And if you have not upgrade this Gemini AI into the pro version, it is okay because you can still generate the image, and it is enough to generate the image with the version 2.5 flash like this. And for example, if I would like to generate the image without activate this nano banana, as you can see there is the emoji or of the banana, which means that this Google Gemini AI also has the model of nano banana. For example, I will put the prompt like this, and you can simply click this button. It's like the generate button or the send button. And after that, you can start to waiting for 15 seconds until 1 minute, depends on the complexity of the prompt itself, guys. And after waiting for a while, so this will be the result. And you can also activate the nano banana to create the image into this section, and you can, let's say, put the same prompt and you can do the comparison of it. So how long have you tried this Gemini AI to create the picture, guys? Is that your first time or you have already used this frequently in everyday life? So you can share us on the comment section. And this will be the output, guys. After waiting for a while, it's like the 15 seconds too, so the result will be like this. Both are very beautiful and very detailed and ultra realistic, and show the every single detail I put into this prompt. So don't forget to try this Gemini AI to create your favorite picture. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.